To create a new storage repository using this stretched volume, click on New Storage. Select the host you want to scan the array. Enter the name of your new storage repository, xcpng ACSR01 here. Enter the description for this storage repository, have a pure active cluster SR1, and select iSCSI as the storage type for this repository. Enter IP address of a target on array 1 and IP address on the target on array 2 and click on the search icon. The host will scan both arrays to see the new LANs. Select the LAN you created using active cluster. Once this is done, click on Create. Once operation is done, you will be able to use this new repository to create new VM or migrate existing one. You can also check properties for this new repository. If you want to check multipath, you can also use the multipath.ll command on your host. You will see that this volume has 8 paths.